In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Its review rating is 7.6, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on the screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, phone booth, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the street. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Check the description. If you are facing any problem with this hotel, you can tell us by commenting. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss